my makeup was as basic as the word basic. As at 2011, did I even know what it means to blend my makeup? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm so excited because it's been like a couple of weeks since I last filmed for YouTube, and this is starting to feel like a whole new thing already for me. So I'm actually enjoying the vibe that I'm getting for today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I used to do my makeup as a teenager or while I was still in high school. So guys, if this is your first time watching my video or if this is your first time here on my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like this post and do not forget to comment on this post when you are done watching. So guys, although this was never part of my routine while I was still in high school, I'm going to be cleaning my face with micellar water just to remove whatever dirt that is on my face before going on to apply my makeup. Cleaned my face, I'll be going into the makeup proper. So just so you all know, I left secondary school in 2011, so that's like 9 years ago, and of course I did not know anything like skin prep or whatever, so there was never anything like cleaning my face, prepping my skin, using primer, none of those, because I had no idea. In fact, my makeup was as basic as the word basic. So I never used to use foundation, so I go straight to applying powder on my face. I usually use white powder, but unfortunately I do not have white powder today. That normal white baby powder, I do not have it. So I'm going to be using my ZK powder palette, and I'll be using my shade of powder from this palette. I'll be using my shade of powder from the ZK powder palette, and I'm just going to be applying that. No foundation, no primer, no moisturizer, just powder. And this one is actually even looking better than the normal white powder that I used to use then, because then it used to make my face look whitish, or it gives it that whitish effect actually. My hair is disturbing me today. Today is not the day, baby. I'm trying to apply this powder as best as I can because I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. This is literally how my face used to look then because there's powder here, and everything is not even properly blended. But as at 2011, did I even know what it means to blend my makeup? I doubt. As far as there's something on my face and in my mind I'm slaying, I was good to go. So guys, now that I've applied powder and I'm looking like in Nigeria pidgin Ojuju Calabar, I'm looking like a proper witch. The next thing I used to do is, okay, I did not used to draw my brows because I had no idea about drawing brows. So I'm not going to be drawing my brows today. I'm just going to be combing my brow hairs out, just to give it a proper shape. Yeah. So guys, for some weird reasons which I do not understand, I used to go over my eye, what's it called, eyelids with gloss. Yes, that's why I said for some weird reasons that I did not understand. I was not really a big fan of shadows. So what I usually just do is go over my eyelid with gloss. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be applying gloss on my eyelid. Maybe it was the shiny effect that used to freak me. And then I remember that anytime I like close and open my eyes, it becomes like really sticky. But I really didn't mind because I think I actually fancied that I don't know, gloss effect that the thing gave my eyes. And then I'll just pat it. I'm going to be showing you guys a picture of, I don't know if I'll be able to find one picture of me in high school. I'll probably go through my Facebook timeline and hopefully I'll be able to find one, and I'll show you guys. This was actually how I used to do my makeup. So I just go over my eyelids with some gloss. The next thing that I used to do is I usually just go over my waterline with black pencil. Like I underline with black pencil, so I'm going to be doing that right away. Trust me, it actually used to be darker than this. I don't know what I was trying to achieve then. Gloss on my eyelid, black pencil on my waterline. I don't know what I was trying to achieve, but this was literally how I used to do my eye makeup back then. I look like a village woman. Okay, so to complete my secondary school makeup look, the last thing I used to do was go over my lips with gloss. I was a gloss girl, and I'm starting to be a gloss girl again right now because I'm starting to fall in love with gloss. So I used to go over my lips with just gloss. Nothing serious. And yada, this was basically how I used to do my makeup as a teenager while I was in high school. This was how I used to slay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video cracked you up or you probably enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done that. Do not forget to like this video and also drop your comment. And actually, I want to read about your funny or weird makeup routine while you were a teenager or while you were still in high school. Please guys, do not forget to share that with me in the comment section. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.